Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number of this device. So first method, you can open your phone application, open keyboard on it and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. And here you can see your IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. And the second method, you have to enter settings, then go to the about phone, and here you can find IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also in model you have your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.